testimony. Ron Bloomingkemper, I have you here on behalf of Wrestling Lions
Yes.
against the bill. Is that right?
Yes, until we just heard it 5 minutes ago, you guys called audibles. But as we knew it was to be, it was in oppose.
Well, so for the record, I've got you against the bill. Do you want me
I'm
to keep
against
it?
the bill.
Okay.
No, I just wanted to originally share what the anti-SLAPP laws has done for us.
Hang on. I'm not starting your clock yet. Just for the record, are you against the bill?
Yes.
Okay. All right, go. Tell
So
us
I
why.
wanted- Thank you, Chairman, members of the committee. My name is Ron Bloomingkemper, and I respectfully oppose House Bill 2988. I'm the founder of a forum called Chi Alpha and the Lion's Den. It's got over 4 million page views since April 2023. And what it does is hundreds of survivors of spiritual and sexual abuse within Chi Alpha Campus Ministries have courageously shared their stories on this platform. If many don't know, it's the largest documented abuse scandal in Pentecostal, I guess, the Assembly of God is a Pentecostal denomination. Soon after I launched the forum, many others and I were hit with lawsuits. 2 of them went for about $1 million apiece, simply for giving survivors a platform to speak. If it wasn't for the Texas anti-SLAPP law, survivors and their advocates would have been silenced and potentially bankrupt. There was a number of us that received those. Because we were free to speak, a decade-long registered sex offender in Chi Alpha and Chi Alpha mentor Daniel Savala is finally in jail awaiting multiple criminal trials. Without the protection of the anti-SLAPP law, we would not have seen 6 arrests. One was indicted recently for sex trafficking. Dozens of pastors have been dismissed, lost their credentials. Multiple lawsuits are going on right now. One is a minor who they tried to make sign an NDA. And most importantly, countless survivors are finding hope and healing through real accountability. I say all that because whistleblowers inside the Assembly of God in Chi Alpha had told me the only thing that's moving the needle is the public pressure outside, which was having this platform that allowed them to speak. We really don't know how many survivors there are, but we know, as one person testified here, they found 50 at one university. So with survivors are ready to speak, when they're ready to speak, they deserve to know that there's a safe place without fear of being sued. And just a few weeks, we passed Trey's law. And it sent a clear message that silence is no longer safe or for sale in Texas. But if House Bill 2988 passes, silence could go back on the market.
Let me see your T-shirt.
This is for you, by the way.
I know it is. I've seen the buttons, but I haven't seen the T-shirt.
Yeah. So this is
Hold
a
on.
campaign I
Turn-
designed for.
Turn that way just a little bit. There you go.
It says, "Don't be an NDA hole."
So I'm going to need one of those shirts. I've got buttons, but I'm going to need one of those shirts too, and I will pay for it. I would encourage you to talk to.
Well, I did,
Representative Savala.
and that's what I'm saying. It's this morning. I
Understand.
didn't. I was against it. Now,
No, you're
he's
still
buying
against
dinner.
it for purposes of the record, but you can clarify it once we get a committee sub.
No, but this has been very important for us. Like I said, it's
Understand.
the only thing that's changed the needle because we have so many people will say,
Understand.
"I'm not sharing" because they're afraid to get sued.
I understand, and we're sensitive to that. Members, any questions for this panel? All right, thanks to each of you. Appreciate it.
Thank you.